In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change the language in Microsoft Word to English. By the end, your Word interface, menus, buttons, and prompts will appear in English, which is especially helpful if you're working on a shared computer or you've installed Office in another language. Start by opening Microsoft Word. You can use any document or even a blank one. It doesn't affect the process. If you have unsaved work, take a moment to save it, because we'll need to restart Word to apply the change. Next, head to the File tab in the top left corner of Word. This opens the Backstage view. Scroll to the bottom and click Options. This brings up the Word Options window, where you can control many of Word's settings. In the left-hand panel of Word Options, click Language. You'll see a few different language areas here. Focus on the section labeled Office Display Language. This is the setting that controls the user interface language, the text you see on the ribbon and in dialog boxes. It's different from the proofing or editing language, which handles spell check and grammar. Today we're only changing the display language. Look through the list for English. If English is already listed, great. If not, click the link that says Install Additional Display Languages from Office.com. Your browser will open the official Office Language Pack page. Choose English and the correct regional variant, like English United States or English United Kingdom, then follow the prompts to download and install. You'll need an internet connection, and in some workplaces, you may need permission from your administrator. Once English appears in the Office Display Language list, select it and click Set as Preferred or Set as Default depending on what your version of Word shows. If there are multiple languages listed, make sure English is at the top or marked as the default choice so Word knows to use it. When you confirm the change, Word will prompt you to restart the application for the new language to take effect. Click OK, then close Word completely. Reopen Word, and you should now see the interface in English. Check the ribbon for labels like Home and Insert to confirm. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This display language setting usually applies across other Office apps too, like Excel and PowerPoint. If you also need English for spell check, that's the editing or proofing language, which you can adjust in the same language settings. And if the change doesn't appear after restarting, return to the language window and make sure English is still set as the preferred or default option. That's it. You've changed Microsoft Word's display language to English.